Hanging a new door may seem straightforward, but improper installation can lead to issues like uneven gaps or a door that won't latch. To ensure a proper fit, start by measuring the door opening, checking for squareness in old homes, and measuring the width and height of the opening at various points. Purchase a door slightly narrower than the finished opening, typically available in standard sizes, and mark it for trimming, allowing appropriate gaps for expansion and floor level variations. Trim the door as needed and check the fit with shims. Mark and cut hinge recesses, drill pilot holes, and screw the hinges onto the door. Next, mark hinge positions on the frame, chisel recesses, and mount the hinges. After confirming the door fits correctly, make any adjustment to ensure it closes properly before installing the latch and doorknob according to the provided instructions.